Well, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. With everything going on, and anybody that you don't know, I have two other channels, and of course caring for my mom, and just a long story short, the bottom line is, none of my stuff is getting done. And it's time for me to do a little garage cleaning. I'm actually embarrassed. We're supposed to have a big yard sale this summer, which my dad passed away over the winter, so we've been doing a yard sale with his stuff over there, and I have not really got to my stuff. And now my garage has turned into a pig pen. It's a dump because we're trying to work on the bus, and just stuff is getting staged in here. And anyways, I'm going to take some time and try and do some cleanup. Well, as you can see, I did get quite a bit done, although it doesn't, I guess it looks like it to a certain extent, but there's still a ton of stuff. I still got that whole bench over there I got to clean off, as well as that one. But at least now my lift actually has some visibility. I can see my lift again, so I can get a vehicle in here if I need to. And I haven't really touched anything on this side of the garage here, because some of the stuff is yard sale stuff. I just haven't had the time to get it out there in the yard sale. So there's still plenty more to do here in Shane's main shop, but we did make some progress today. Blew a lot of the leaves and dust out, and I can actually move around and see a little bit of stuff. So anyways, that's going to be it for today. Just a quick off-the-wall video, time-lapse of me doing some cleanup. I guess that's it. We'll talk to you later.